Can you uninstall apps from Microsoft Store? In this tutorial, we're going to find out exactly that. So let's just jump right in without any further ado. First thing you'll have to do is go to your Start menu and then simply search for Microsoft Store. Click on it to open it up. Once you open up your Microsoft Store, all you have to do is, in order to access your apps, you're going to have to find your library. So on the left side, you'll have your navigation bar. At the very bottom, you'll find your library option. Once headed to your library, you'll be able to see a list of all of your apps, which also includes your device apps. So included with device, if you click on it, your device didn't come with additional content, but if it were to come with other additional contents and applications, it will show up here. So under all app, let's say if I want to delete this Roblox, I'm just going to click on these three lines to see if I'm able to delete it. And as you can see here, I'm not able to do that. So if you head over to apps, you can categorize your apps. And if you head over to games, you can do that as well. So go ahead and click on those three lines and see if you can uninstall this. But I'm not able to do that. So what you can do instead is go to your Start menu, go to Settings, now find your apps, go to Installed Apps. Now simply search for the app that you want to uninstall. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for a random app here. And once you find the app, just click on the three lines and then click on uninstall. If you are sure that you want to uninstall, click on uninstall right here and it will easily uninstall the app. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can uninstall app on your PC. If this was helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.